In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to eBay. By the end, your CJ account will be linked to your eBay store, so products and orders can sync smoothly. We'll do everything from the CJ Dropshipping dashboard. Look to the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Add Store. This is where CJ manages connections to different marketplaces. Go ahead and click Add Store to open the store connection window. When the list of platforms appears, select eBay. Choosing eBay tells CJ which marketplace you want to connect. You'll see an option to install. Click Install. This step enables the integration on the CJ side and sets up the bridge that lets CJ communicate with your eBay account. After a moment, you should see eBay show up in your store list, confirming that CJ recognizes the marketplace you're about to connect. Now click Add Store again. This time, you'll move into the authorization flow. Click Authorize and follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts are there to confirm that you give CJ permission to access your eBay store data, things like product listings and orders, so the two systems can stay in sync. Carefully review any permission details you see, then continue through the guided steps. If your browser blocks pop-ups, quickly allow them so the authorization window can open without issues. During authorization, make sure you're selecting the correct eBay account if you manage more than one. Stick with the same browser tab throughout to avoid session timeouts, and give each page a moment to load so you don't accidentally skip a confirmation. When you finalize the prompts, you'll be brought back to CJ, where you should now see your eBay store marked as connected or authorized. That's the entire connection process. Start with Add Store on the left, choose eBay, click Install, then return to Add Store, authorize, and follow the on-screen instructions to finish. If anything doesn't appear right away, refresh your CJ dashboard and check the store list again. You can also revisit Add Store to confirm the authorization status. Once connected, CJ can begin syncing data with eBay. This makes it easier to manage listings, push products, and keep orders flowing without manual copy-paste. If you ever change your eBay credentials or permissions, remember you can come back to this same area to reauthorize. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your CJ Dropshipping and eBay accounts connected.